Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We're here to cut through the noise and pull out the key insights from interesting sources just for you. Today, we're doing a deep dive into robotic software automation. You probably know it as RSA. Our mission, really, is to unpack the core ideas from this article called The 5 Immutable Laws of Robotic Software Automation. We want to help you get beyond just what automation is and figure out how to make it, really stick and deliver real value over time. Because let's face it, in today's world, this digital landscape, automation isn't really a nice to have anymore. It feels pretty essential if you want to keep up, let alone thrive.
Oh, absolutely. It's fundamental now. And the source we're looking at today really nails this down. It points to, 3 big wins from RSA. You get a serious boost in productivity, for one. Then you drastically cut down on human errors, which is huge. And finally, it helps keep things running smoothly, reliably across all your different systems. So yeah, it's about speed, sure, but it's more about building something solid.
Yeah.
Robustness.
Okay, right. Robustness. I like that. So let's get into these immutable laws the article talks about. 5 principles, it says, for building automation that's smart, scalable, and, built to last. Not just chasing the latest tech trend, but aiming for real long-term change. So the first law, pretty bold. If it can be done digitally, a well-trained bot can do it better. Now, that's doing a lot of work in that sentence. It's not just speed, is it? What's the strategic angle here?
Yeah, better is key. And you're right, it's not just faster, it's about precision, consistency, relentless execution. A bot doesn't have an off day, doesn't get distracted making coffee, or type the wrong number at 2 a.m. Strategically, the big takeaway is this. You hand off those repetitive digital tasks, and suddenly your people, they're free. Free to tackle the complex problems, the innovation, the stuff that actually requires human judgment. This law basically says, rethink your capacity. Design for digital scale.
Right, design for digital scale.
Yeah.
That really forces a digital-first mindset, doesn't it? But okay, so you've identified what can be automated. The next big challenge is always scaling it up, right?
Yeah.
Moving beyond just 1 or 2 little pilot projects. How do the other laws help with that? Going from experiment to an actual enterprise strategy.
Exactly. If Law 1 spots the opportunity, Laws 2 through 5 are your roadmap for scaling it effectively. They build on each other. Law number 2 is all about enterprise alignment. Basically, don't just build bots randomly. Your automation efforts have got to link up directly with your main business goals, your strategic plans. Does this automation serve a real purpose?
Okay, so no bots for bots' sake. Makes sense.
Prevents that bot sprawl where you have random automations everywhere that aren't really connected.
And then how do you physically build it to handle that bigger scale?
That brings us straight to Law 3, scalable architecture. You have to design these automation solutions thinking about growth from day one. So think resilient systems, components you can reuse, strong frameworks that won't crumble when you double the workload. It's about building a solid tech foundation.
Foresight in the tech. Got it. What's next?
Law 4, governed autonomy. As you get more automation happening, you absolutely need strong rules and oversight. Can't skip this. We're talking clear policies, security measures, audit trails, how you manage changes, basically. Managing your digital workforce responsibly, keeping things secure and compliant.
Right. Responsible management of your digital workforce. Okay. And the last one.
The 5th law, crucial for making it last, is continuous optimization. Automation is never one and done. You need to constantly monitor, analyze how things are running, and tweak them. Business needs change, data changes, so your automation has to adapt to stay effective. Keep it sharp.
So it's really a dynamic living thing, not just ticking boxes on projects.
Okay, this deep dive really helped crystallize RSA, I think. Moving past the buzzwords to these, immutable laws, these principles seem like they offer a path to real, lasting transformation.
And maybe that leaves you, the listener, with something to think about. How could you take these same ideas, long-term vision, strategic alignment, scalability, governance, continuous improvement, and apply them elsewhere? Not just in software automation, but anywhere you're trying to build something resilient, something that endures. What does it really take to build something grounded in solid principles, moving beyond just isolated experiments or, chasing the latest hype, something to chew on?